Good morning from the homestay. I never actually showed you this. I was staying up top here. There's a room with 2 beds, coke and grass roof, and a wicked view out towards the ocean. Speaking of that view, it's 8 AM right now. There was a boat that went out fishing last night, and if it comes back this morning with a bunch of fish, it's probably going to go over to Calayan, meaning we might be able to get a ride. The weather conditions are good, so I'm hoping this happens, because again, it's unpredictable here. You never know when there's going to be boats, when there's not. Yeah, I'm just organizing my things, and let's see what happens today. No fishing boat yet, 9 AM, but just in case, I'm gonna head up to the main shop in town. You can take a look at it and possibly get something to cover my legs on this journey, because last time I got a pretty solid sunburn on my knees. And there are no eateries on this island. Everything's just home cooked. So possibly one of the only islands in the Philippines with no eateries or carinderias. Is this like big? Mas malaki or?
485, sir.
485? Nice. And it's like reindeer. And meron mga pants. Aha. Oh no, these are meron mga malaki mga pants. Sorry. They got really thick reindeer. I might get this. I'm just gonna show you. This is the big store over here. Pinakamalaki dito sa isla, diba? Yes. This store, this is the biggest one. They have actually I got a toothbrush here, they have cleaning stuff, there's like some clocks, and then they have a little clothes section on this side. So I'm searching for possible pants, and I might get this reindeer, because if I do have a trip, I'm gonna be soaked, guaranteed. Oh, pwede, no? So you think this will block the sun? Pwede. Wow. What do you think? Maganda? Maganay? Maganay? Sige, I'll buy them. Success. Oh, it feels good too to buy it, you know, support the local store. I think that one's actually a cooperative, so a lot of families kind of patak and own that one together. There's a few other tinda-hands around. Maganay na bekas. Diba? Maganay na bakas? Yes, I got it. Good morning. The fishing boat is not going, but we have a boat over Pacquiao for 10K, and I'm gonna go talk to my other friends there. I think we can all chip in, and we're gonna make it back. It's got 4 motors as well, so it should be a good ride. It will leave at 11 AM, it's 10 right now. Oh, it's my friends. Remember, in the Philippines, there's always a way. Who's Pacquiao? This guy.
It's different.
Oh yeah, oh cool.
Yeah.
What are you tingin?
They give it a free data, ginatang you.
Free?
It's
No
free
way.
from the fishermen.
Wait, so the fishermen just gave it, the ones who came in?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yes.
Okay, the fishing boat that came in, that isn't going to go to Calayan though, just gives free fish to the local community.
If you go there, if you go down there and there's a lot, they catch a lot, then they give it equal to their.
This island definitely has a great community. The Calayan Express. Salamat kaayo, Brad. Ingat, ha?
Ingat, sir.
Alright.
Bye-bye, Babuyan.
Bye-bye, Babuyan. Balik end of May.
Yes.
That's the plan. They have a festival, June 1, no?
Yes.
And if you didn't know, it's the term Babuyan comes from Mabuya, which means to see, and then Claro, which means clear. When the Spanish were going around, they saw this island, it was very clear in the distance. Babuyan Claro. Let's go. Woohoo! Yeah! That's your National Power Corporation. Working hard. Way to go. Alright, gonna load up. This time I'll take you with me on the GoPro. And that's it. We're gonna rock the bunker trip. We're leaving around 12:30. It should be a little bit quicker with the current, but we'll see you when I get there. Okay. Go! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, there's Alan! Woo! We're all good, we're all good. Success! Kaya! Always Kaya! Salamat! Whoa, big one. Okay, all good. I'll see you on the mainland. Or not the mainland, Calayan Island. We are so lucky. Almost less than 3 hours. Perfect weather with the current, no big waves. Back in Calayan. Feeling fresh, feeling shaved. Hey, Masta, how are you? Feeling the good vibes. Back at the homestay. And I'm heading to the airport, which is just behind it, because there's actually a 12-seater plane tomorrow with Air Pasada, and my friend has booked me on it, but I gotta go confirm that before 6 p.m. Literally just gonna walk over there. Hey, Mista. Yes. How you doing? Really digging the vibe. Is it open? Oh, no. Don't know if I go in there or I go in here. I think I walked in the exit. just gonna walk over on the runway. I don't know where I'm going. Tao po. Meron mga Air Pasada? Mga office or wala? Wala? Okay, salamat. Thanks ah. I'm gonna find don't know where it is. There was one airport police. I just chatted to him, super nice guy. He took a look, but the office person's gone home. So just come back 8 in the morning, double check and confirm, but should be all good. You can actually book online. There's a company, Air Pasada. It has like all these small little airport flights around the northern Philippines. Okay, I think we're gonna get a sunset in Calayan tonight. I've probably had about 10 conversations on the walk to town. I think this entire town knows me now and everybody's just so cool. Yeah, I don't know, just doing a few things. He's gonna see the NPC guys again, gonna watch the sunset, and check it out. Kuya Junmar to the rescue. My first and final sunset in Calayan. This time on the main Calayan Island. Nice.
Come here.
Is it okay? You got debang?
Yeah, debang.
Nice, man. Did you catch them? No.
This is already frozen.
Oh, nice, cool. Sa mga debang.
I will travel tomorrow, so I will bring this to the mainland.
Ano pangalan mo, Brad?
Ronald Cadarao.
Relax. It's okay, bro. Fishy. With a fist bump. You're preparing the debang. That's great.
Right.
Nice, man.
So I for the fish.
Oh, you, yeah, Murnang, okay lang. So you're just cleaning them, maglimpyo, no? Okay, cool.
I thought you're in Babuyan.
Yeah, I just came now. Galing kanina.
How's the way?
Okay lang actually, swerte sa panahon. I imagine tatlo ka oras. But on the way there, 5 hours, so.
So how do you find Calayan?
Amazing.
So it was devastated by super typhoon.
Yeah.
This is my house.
Ah, you're here, okay.
This one, ginawa kong resort yan dati, pero nasira.
Oh. Actually, I realize this is one thing, again, what people don't realize sometimes, because dito, medyo malayo sa mainland, like, it was really devastated bad, and everybody's still recovering, no?
Try to be back this summer. Very nice.
I will.
Kasi is parang Ilogan.
Hoping, in Bisaya we say unta, maybe end of May. I just got a phone call and I was randomly hanging out with people there. I have a 7 a.m. check-in now tomorrow here, and the plane I'm riding, Air Pasada, is turned into a 6-seater that's gonna pick me up here, take me to Basco Batanes, leave me there for a bit while it goes to Itbayat to pick up other people, go back to Basco, pick me up again, and bring me to Tuguegarao. So this is gonna be a wild exit to the islands. I cannot wait. So gonna go chill now. We'll see you in the morning for the 6-seater northern flight adventure. Grab me. Sorry, I'm just like stoked. This is gonna be wild. You know it's gonna be a good flight when you gotta weigh yourself. What am I at? 179 pounds. I'm eating too much lechon. 20 kilos? Cool. Okay. 20 kilos of baggage and a 80 kilo guy. It's gonna be 6,550. Okay, 6,550. And we got the 12-seater today, I heard. Well, that's a cool check-in. You can just come out for some fresh air. I think the plane is leaving Tuguegarao at 8:30, meaning could land here around 9-ish. I don't know which side. Let's see where we're riding today. So the Batanes trip is off. It was a bit too windy, so they sent the 15-seater, but we get to go to Tuguegarao early. So that's a pretty cool plane. Looks pretty new, and I'm excited. We're gonna fly over the boat. The boat also left this morning. Should cross past Fuga up to the mainland. Sounds so funny saying mainland. I feel like I'm in the Cordilleras, the lowlands. You know, the islanders and the mainlanders. And yeah, let's have a good flight. Bye-bye. Bye, DOST.
See you again.
They're from the DOST. I love the DOST, one of my favorite government agencies. You guys do a lot of good work.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. The pilot over there is Bisaya. That's going to Batanes. They're staying longer, so we're not taking it. This is going to Tuguegarao. All right. Cool. Fun, man. All right.
Kanya-kanya tayong ano.
This is cool. My friend from the Coast Guard. He's getting transferred back to Zamboanga. Good luck, friend. Welcome home.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Senior.
Oh yeah, of course, the best.
Mag-ano ka na?
Phil Volks, my new favorite agency, my new favorite umbrella agency.
Balik ka na doon, tapos na-base ka na.
It is 11:07. Let's see when we land in Tuguegarao. Even though it's quite windy, surprisingly no turbulence so far on the takeoff. That's Fuga Island. Fuga Island is part of Aparri. The one behind it, kind of in the distance, that's Dalupiri, still a part of Calayan. Looks like there's some incredible beaches on Fuga. It's an incredible perspective looking at the north coast from Aparri all the way almost towards Santa Ana. Especially having been down there before on a motorbike. This is a fantastic flight. Just descending over the Cagayan River. Time check, 11:46. Should be landing in a few moments. Just a little squeak. That was awesome. Honestly, no turbulence as well, even in these windy conditions. Probably smoother than some of the big planes I've flown on, so don't be afraid to fly the smaller planes. You get a heck of a view. Tuguegarao City, 12 noon. I actually have a sundo. Somebody's picking me up. Meet my sundo. Doc Raul Ting, a friend of my friend Clifford.
Hello.
From the island of Calayan, but Doc, you can actually speak Ibanag, no?
Yes.
He's from Tuguegarao, stayed in Manila for a while, but we are currently cruising to Aparri because he's doing some work up there, so I hitched a ride. We were passing through Alcala and we just stopped for Ihaw Mais. So you were saying Alcala really is the mais stop.
Yes.
On the way.
For the trip.
Nice. And is this like almost halfway already, or?
Almost.
Almost? Okay, cool. Okay.
And because sometimes it's a native one, but this one's a little big, so
Yes.
most of the corn kasi are not like really. But in Mindanao, they really.
Oh yeah, we
eat
get a lot. In
corn.
Bukidnon as well. Oh,
Ah,
Daghan, Raming.
Daghan.
Oh yeah, Bisaya. You can speak Bisaya.
I do.
How many languages can you speak?
Around 6 or 7.
Oh my gosh.
Because it's part of my volunteer work.
It's very humok.
Humot.
Humok.
Soft.
Yeah, malambot.
Malambot. Soft.
Good mais.
Ang tamis?
You know what I realized? They don't put anything on it. Just derecho.
Derecho grill.
This is very classic in the Philippines. Whenever you drive to different areas, especially in rural areas, there'll be different stands, but there'll be like 20 stands in a row selling the same thing. So Alcala, it's mais. So we're almost there, but we're passing through the town called Lalo. Now, Cyril just told me a very interesting thing about this town. It was the first
town that was established in Cagayan by the Spaniards.
And what was the original name supposed to
They
be?
called it Nueva Segovia.
Okay. And is this, you said, where they first spoke Ibanag?
Yes, this is where Ibanag was first spoken. And because that's where they learned, the Spaniards learned Ibanag. So they later imposed the idea that Ibanag became the lingua franca, or the official language of the whole province.
Okay.
The whole province.
So here in Lalo.
Lalo, yeah.
Interesting. And if you didn't know like me, now you know. How amazing is that? Ate, salamat. Maraming salamat po. Ano pangalan again po?
Aida, sir.
Aida. Thank you so much. And then also I received a message a few days ago. Somebody who follows me came and took a photo and they covered it with a tarpaulin. I'm gonna go bring the tarpaulin back in the next town to them. So kind. The motor's good. A week later at the eatery by the highway. Sweet. Back on the road. Let's go to the next town and give back the tarp and meet the person who did that for me, because that's very cool. A pizza shop called Natty's in the town Camalaniugan. That's where this guy is. San si kuya mga ano si Hi. Thanks man. No problem. Thanks man. Pancit, batil, patong, and Tuguegarao, 5 p.m. That is happening. That's Team Kalinga. Hi, Team Kalinga. They're doing the same thing I'm doing. I think you make your own sausawan with onions here, like literally chop it.
You want to have?
You sure? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Add too many.
Perfect. Salamat. I got lucky. Kuya sharing his. Yeah, you literally chop your own. Hello. It's my first time stopping in this one. Yeah, go ahead, man. See you.
Here. Becoming Filipino, right?
Yeah, nice to see you, man. Taga saan ka?
From Tabuk City.
Ah, nice, cool.
Yeah.
Kalinga. Wicked. I'll be back for sure, and maybe in a few months I'll visit.
Okay, here to go. North Loop.
No, I came from Babuyan Island.
Are you going to Tabuk?
No, I'm going back to Manila.
Oh, you're going to
But I'll be in the future. I'll be there in the future.
Okay, thank
Take
you.
care.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you both. Sabaw, sibuyas, pansabato patong. 130 peso. It's a massive bowl, like always. We're gonna need this energy. There's so many people here from Kalinga. Literally, that guy's from Kalinga. They're from Kalinga. Tabuk, diba? Tabuk? From Tabuk. I'm planning on being up in Kalinga and the Cordilleras later this year. Maybe in a few months. But right now, sibuyas and this delicious dish that is legit everywhere in this city. Salamat! Thank you!
Thank you po!